Hi, in this video, I want to show you how I use the Miro online interactive whiteboard to play the game Memory with my students. It's actually very easy. All you need to do is choose the images that you want for your memory game. On the resources page of this website, you can find PNG images of all the flashcards. So here I have selected 6 images that have to do with the household. I uploaded them by using this upload button over here, and then you can click on my device and upload any files, any images that you have already saved or downloaded onto your computer. If you've previously used some images on Miro and you saved them into my files, they appear here. In order to do that, you can click on an image that you'd like to save, use this more option over here, and then add to save files. Now, if I go back to my saved files, I can see that my image has just appeared there as well. Okay, so to set up the memory game, I have now uploaded 6 images and I'm going to copy them. Okay, you can copy them easily using the Command or the Control C, and then Command or Control Paste, depending on whether you have a Mac or Windows. Okay, so now I can use these images. I can make them larger if I wanted, or I can leave them at this size. Okay, we'll move them around in order to make them look like a memory game. I won't do that all now because I have previously set up one already. Okay, obviously these pictures can't be seen at the time, so we need to cover them. What we're going to do is we're going to use our shape option, which is this square over here. Okay, and I'm going to click and I'm going to choose a shape. Okay, I now have a shape that I can enlarge or make to whatever size I want it to be. Okay, I'm making it the same size as the image. Okay, to choose a color, we click here and we can make it blue if we wanted. We can also change the border color if we wanted to make it a lighter blue. You can change the thickness of it, and this is how we have our covering. Okay, this is then copied as well and pasted on top of all of the pictures. Okay, in order to make a memory that looks like this. Okay, obviously you can use as many images as you want. I have chosen just to use 6, so my memory involves 12 images. Okay, so to find, now you and your students can move these purple blocks in order to see if we can find a matching pair. This is not a matching pair, so obviously all purple blocks can be moved just by clicking on it and moving it. The pictures can also be moved. If you do not want the option to move these images, you just click on it and you can lock them using this lock over here. And now the image can no longer be moved. So that's how I play memory. Thank you.